How to play YouTube in background on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will learn how we can play YouTube in the background on your Android device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, you have to launch Chrome in your device. Here, you have to open up YouTube through the Chrome applications, since you will not be able to play YouTube in background through the YouTube application. So open up Chrome in your device and head towards youtube.com. Once you're here, tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and from this menu bar, make sure you have selected desktop site option. After that, you can go back to the youtube.com. And from here, select the song that you want to play or select the video that you want to play in your background. For example, I have this song right here. Now, once the video or once the music is being played, you can directly switch to another application, or you can close this Chrome. And then you will notice that the song will still be playing in your background. If you scroll down your quick settings panel, there you can see the music is right there. Tap on the play button and now you will listen that the music is playing in your background. So that's the way to play YouTube in background on your Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.